Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all fine and we'll start the video today. So today's trip is to Kodachadri Hill, belongs to Shimoga district. We started our journey from Kundapura and it is 79.2 kilometers away and will take 2.5 hours via Mukambika temple Kollur. You can locate it in Google Map or you can use Navigator app, and if network is not available there, you can ask anyone, they will guide you the route. Or if you come to Kollur temple, there is some jeep standing over there to take you to Kodachadri hills. Kodachadri is visited by locals and Keralites in large numbers since long time. Sage Adi Shankara is said to have visited the place and meditated here. A small temple called Sarvajna Pita is built with stone is dedicated to Adi Shankara at the top of Kodachadri. Some of the pilgrims from South Indian states who visit Kollur take a trek to this hill. We took our car and in the middle one jeep stand is there to take us near the hill. Keep in mind you can't take your car over there because jeep tire and car tire is totally different, as you have to take the jeep help or you can trek by walking. Walking is really difficult. You can afford homestay in the middle and continue your trekking. In the check post we have to pay 25 rupees per person to enter and 300 rupees per person for jeep driver. Jeep journey is very exciting compared to trekking in, I think, because so many ups and downs are there as you can't sit properly. And you can see in this video I could not hold the mobile in a position. If you opt jeep also, you have to trek 3 kilometers by walking because jeep also can't go in the peak.
ಕಾರ್ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಲ್ಸಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ತಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹರ್ಷಿಕನ್ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂದೆ ತೀರ್ಥೂರು ಹೊಡ್ಸ್ಕೊ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಬಸ್ಸನು ಅಮ್ಮ
Now let's know about Kodachadri hill and origin of name Kodachadri. Kodachadri is a mountain peak with forest and it is 1343 meters above the sea level in the Western Ghats in South India. Kodachadri belongs to Shimoga district and 78 kilometers away from Shimoga. It is declared as natural heritage site by Karnataka government and 13th highest peak of Karnataka. So if we think about how the name Kodachadri comes, here is the explanation. It comes from native word Kodacha or Kodashi, which means Kutaja flowers, and Adri, a Sanskrit word for mountain, both combined together to coin the word Kodachadri. Kutacha in Sanskrit means Giri Mallika or jasmine of the hill. The hill region that is full of jasmine of the hills plants is Kutajagiri. It is also called Kutachadri and Kodashi Parvata. A temple dedicated to the ancient mother goddess Mukambika is located near the top of the peak. The temple is a popular destination for Hindu pilgrims and it is said to stand where thousands of years ago Mukambika god fought and killed the demon Mukasura. In historical times, people used to trek from Nagara state, a nearby place, and Europeans trekked the peak during 19th century. Trekking to Korchadri peak starts from Nagodi village or Nittur Shimoga village, which are located at the base of Korchadri. Overnight camping is strictly not allowed here. Once you enter the checkpost in the foothill, as this come under Forest Department, Government of Karnataka, juice bottles, liquors, everything we should hand over to them. Here is the place where jeep driver stops the jeep and allow us to take beautiful pics here, and you can take 5 minute rest also. This is not the peak of the hill. After 5 minutes, jeep driver calls us and we start the journey again. Total 111 jeeps are there to take to the hill. It is bit difficult if you take your children under age of 6 because they'll get tired and you have to take them in your arms as we took our baby there. So what's felt difficult? You can take your food and water bottles there, but don't throw anything over there. Here is the place where we stop the jeep journey also, and you can visit some small temples are there, like Bhadrakali, Shiva and Daiva temples are there, and then we started our trekking.
బా అదే అక్క ఆలేనని బాగా నొందులు ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನಾವ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುದು ಮಗ ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ
So now we reach the peak of Korchadri Hill. You can see the beauty of the peak. The people saying we can see the Arabi Sea from the top of the hill if that fog is not there. This is the Sarvajna Pita where Adi Shankara is visited the place and meditated here. Now pilgrims come and do bhajans here and chant some slokas here. So this is the video which I captured as much as possible for me. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you so much.